Experiencing corrupted videos on your Viofo A139 3H dashcam after recording? You're not alone. This issue, where your videos become unplayable or suffer data loss, is a common problem with the A139. The Viofo A139 is a popular triple-channel dashcam with front, rear, and interior cameras for comprehensive vehicle recording. However, many users face video corruption, resulting in unplayable files and data loss. This manifests as distorted, glitch-like footage that can't be viewed properly. One major cause is SD card incompatibility. The A139 requires high-speed, reliable microSD cards. Using low-quality or counterfeit cards leads to write errors during recording. Power supply issues, such as sudden interruptions or unstable connections, can corrupt ongoing video writes. Firmware glitches, particularly in older versions, can cause buffering problems, leading to corruption. This problem has been widespread since 2024, affecting numerous A139 users. Fortunately, solutions and fixes have been developed as of March 2026. The A139 records in up to 4K resolution for the front camera and 1080p for rear and interior views. Data is written to the SD card in segments for efficient recording. The A139 uses FAT32 file system for SD cards under 32 GB and exFAT for larger cards. Using an incompatible or low-quality SD card is a primary cause of corruption. The A139 needs at least a Class 10 micro SD card with a UHS-IN rating. Choose cards from reputable brands like Samsung Pro Plus or SanDisk and ensure they are V30 rated for reliable write speeds. Avoid counterfeit cards, as they often lack the necessary NAND flash memory stability. First, ensure your A139 has the latest firmware. Viofo released version 1.8.2 in late 2025, which includes improved error-checking algorithms to prevent SD card corruption. Update your firmware through the Viofo app or website for optimal performance. Next, always format your SD card directly within the dashcam itself. Regular formatting prevents file system errors and maintains card health. Use the dashcam's menu options for formatting, ensuring it's formatted as FAT32 for cards under 32 GB or exFAT for larger cards. The Viofo A139 dashcam relies on your vehicle's power supply, which can create vulnerabilities during recording. Dashcams connect to the vehicle's electrical system, drawing power continuously while recording. Sudden interruptions, such as turning off the engine, can cause ongoing video writes to fail, leading to corruption. One solution is a capacitor-based dashcam that stores electrical energy, providing backup power during brief interruptions. A hardwiring kit connects directly to the vehicle's battery with low-voltage protection, ensuring stable power even when the ignition is off. Third-party powered SD card adapters can also stabilize power delivery, reducing the risk of write failures during recording. Real-world user experiences show the critical role of SD card quality in preventing Viofo A139 corruption. For example, a Reddit user in 2025 reported 100% video corruption on a 64 GB SanDisk Ultra card after long drives. Switching to a Samsung Pro Plus card and updating firmware completely resolved the issue. Dashcam forums like dashcamtalk.com analyzed 500 users and found that 65% of Viofo A139 corruption cases were due to counterfeit SD cards, which lack proper quality and reliability. In comparison, competing models like the Garmin Dashcam 67 Babu feature dual SD slots with automatic failover, significantly reducing corruption risks through redundancy. These case studies highlight common pitfalls. Always check user reviews and manufacturer compatibility lists before buying an SD card to ensure reliable performance with your Viofo A139. To prevent SD card corruption in your Viofo A139, start by enabling loop recording in the camera's settings. This feature automatically overwrites the oldest footage when the card reaches capacity, ensuring continuous recording without interruption. Loop recording prevents the card from filling up completely, which can trigger corruption during high-speed writes. Access this setting through the A139's menu by navigating to Video Recording Options and selecting Loop Recording Mode. Next, regularly check your SD card's health using reliable tools. Start with SD Formatter to properly format the card, which can resolve minor issues and ensure optimal performance. Then use H2 Test W to test for errors and verify write speeds. This free tool checks for counterfeit or damaged cards by writing and reading test data. Run it on your computer to ensure your card meets the A139's requirements of at least Class 10 speed. If H2 Test W reveals errors or slow write speeds below 10 megabytes per second, replace the card immediately with a certified one like Samsung or SanDisk. Also, watch for signs of corruption, such as unplayable files or missing footage. Finally, back up important footage right after recording to a separate device or cloud storage. This prevents permanent data loss if corruption occurs. Use the A139's app or connect via USB to transfer files safely. Dashcam technology is evolving rapidly, with newer models like the Viofo A139 Pro featuring built-in SD card health monitoring to prevent corruption before it happens. This advanced system continuously checks your SD card's performance and alerts you to potential issues, reducing the risk of data loss. In the future, AI-driven data recovery systems might automatically repair minor corruptions, ensuring your footage remains usable even after technical glitches. The industry is moving towards more reliable storage solutions like NVMe-based cards, which offer faster write speeds and better error correction to eliminate corruption risks. Cloud backup via 5G will help prevent video loss by automatically uploading your recordings to secure cloud storage, with fast 5G speeds ensuring reliability. When upgrading your dashcam in the future, consider these advancements for better reliability and data protection. Expert opinions highlight that prevention is key to avoiding SD card corruption in the Viofo A139. Specialists recommend using V30-rated cards specifically designed for the demands of triple-channel recording, ensuring faster and more reliable data writes. Dashcam experts also advise backing up your footage immediately after recording to prevent data loss. They recommend using the Viofo app for regular diagnostics and monitoring card health. By carefully selecting high-quality SD cards, keeping your firmware updated, and addressing any power supply issues, you can greatly minimize the risk of video corruption. This ensures your A139 dashcam delivers consistent, reliable performance. As a final reminder, always test new SD cards thoroughly before depending on them for important recordings. This simple step can save you from potential data loss.